If your browser is feeling sluggish or a website isn't loading correctly, it might be time to clear your data. Since Zen Browser is built on the Firefox engine, these steps are reliable and easy to follow. One quick warning, this process is the best way to repair a broken browser, but it does log you out of your active sessions. I'm also going to share some easy explanations on why these steps work, plus a few pro tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Deleting all cookies and site data. Let's do this from the very beginning. Find the three dots in the top left corner, click it, then click Settings. It will be in Privacy and Security, but I'll teach you how to find that in a quicker way. In Zen Browser, you can find what you are interested in with the search function. Type cookies or browsing data. Click Clear Browsing Data. This time, keep cookies and site data checked. You can remove the cache at the same time if you like. Next, to click on the field that specifies the interval. Currently, it says last hour for me, but if you want to delete all cookies and site data, choose everything. We get a warning message that says all selected items will be cleared. This action cannot be undone. And it also says, may sign you out of sites or empty shopping carts. If those are not a problem, click Clear to confirm. Pro tip: don't overdo it. You don't need to clear cookies regularly, only when a site is broken or for privacy reasons. Also, you don't always have to delete everything. If only one site is broken, you can remove its cookies individually instead of logging out everywhere. That's why it's important to know how to clear data for just one website. If only one site is acting up, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Under Browsing Data, click Clear Data for specific sites. Search for the specific website, select it, and click Remove Selected. This fixes the problematic site without touching your other tabs. Clearing your browsing history. To wipe your trail, go to top left corner, click the three dots, go to History, and choose Clear Recent History. In the pop-up window, set the time range to Everything for a full wipe. If your only goal is to clear your browsing history, uncheck cookies, site data cached files, and saved form info. Once ready, click Clear. Clearing the cache only. If you want to speed things up without logging out of your accounts, clearing the cache is the best move. Open Zen. Click the menu button in the top left and go to Settings. In the left sidebar, open Privacy and Security. Scroll to Cookies and Site Data and click Clear Data. Uncheck Cookies and Site Data, leave Cached Web Content checked, and hit Clear. You might be wondering, if the cache is designed to speed up your browsing, why would you ever want to clear it? Think of it as a necessary reset for three reasons. First, stale data. Zen Browser might try to use outdated files that conflict with a website's latest update, which is the most common cause of broken buttons and layout bugs. Second, corrupted files. If the browser crashes or your internet flickers while saving data, those broken files can stay in your memory, preventing pages from loading at all. And finally, storage overload. While Zen manages your cache automatically, a massive buildup of old data can eventually slow down your system. Clearing it forces a fresh connection, ensuring you're always seeing the fastest, most secure version of every site. The Troubleshooting Deep Clean. If you need a total reset, use the Clear Recent History tool again, set it to Everything, and check every single box. Browsing and download history, cookies, cache, active logins, form data, site settings. This is the ultimate fix for most browser-related errors. Important: what to expect after clearing data. You will be logged out of most websites and may need to go through two-factor authentication again. Your saved preferences like dark mode or language settings might reset to default. Additionally, pages may load a bit slower the first time you visit them as the browser rebuilds its cache. Automating the cleanup. You can tell Zen Browser to clear cookies and site data every time you close Zen. Go to Settings. In Privacy and Security, go to the browsing data and check Clear Cookies and Site Data every time you close Zen. If this is checked, everything is cleared after you close Zen Browser. Mastering these settings ensures your Zen Browser stays fast, private, and error-free.